This is exercise 4.4, question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Already they are saying कि following quadratic equations are having two equal roots. Correct? That means discriminant which is equal to 0. The condition is already cleared. Now, first we need to see whether the quadratic equation is in the standard form or not. It is. Correct? Now, we will compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation. What is that standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. After comparing this equation with the standard form, we'll write down the coefficients. A, which is equal to 2, b, which is equal to k, and c, which is equal to 3. As already they said, कि quadratic equation has two equal roots. That means d is equal to 0. D means what? B square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. Here you can write the given thing here. Roots are equal. Okay. Here. Now b means k square. 4a and this is c, which is equal to 0. Now here k square minus 4 to the 8, 3 the 24 here, which is equal to 0. K square, which is equal to 24. Because it was negative, it became positive. Now we'll take square root of both the sides. So k, which is equal to plus and minus root 24. Try to understand here. Whenever you will take the square root, always write down the plus and minus, whatever the number will be there. Okay. Now this 24, it means that I can write down 4 6 24 here. So here I can take square root of 4 as 2. Therefore k, which is equal to plus and minus 2 under root 6. So here we have two values of k. One is 2 root 6 and another is minus 2 root 6. Therefore value of k is 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. These two values. Let us see the another one. Here the second one. Now this equation we need to write down in the standard format first. So we'll multiply this bracket with kx. So it will become kx square minus 2kx plus 6, which is equal to 0. Now once again we'll compare this equation with the standard form of the equation. So here value of a, which comes as k, or in simple words what you can say, write down the coefficients. B, which is equal to minus 2k, and c, which is equal to 6. Already they said roots are equal. So d is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. We'll substitute the values here. B means minus 2k, the bracket square. 4, a is k and c is 6, which is equal to 0. So 2k square. So this negative sign will become positive. So here 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k, which is equal to 0. We will take 4k common. So 4k is common here. K is left minus 6 is left, which is equal to 0. So we'll compare this one with 0 and this one with 0. So here 4k, which is equal to 0, and k minus 6 also equal to 0. So here k, which is equal to 0 by 4, it means that k is equal to 0. Why? Because 0 divided by anything will become 0. And here k, which is equal to 6. We got two values of k here. Now let me check if I substitute k in our equation. Look at this one here. If I substitute 0 here in place of k, this term will become 0. This term will also become 0. So 6, which is equal to 0, we are getting. So you only see here 6, which is equal to 0. Is this possible? This is not possible. That means k equal to 0, this value is not valid. So what is the value of k? K which is equal to 6 is the correct value here. So what will write down? Oh, sorry. I will write down here this k equal to 0 is not valid here. Therefore, k which is equal to 6 is the value of k. Correct? I hope all of you understood both these sums. Thank you.